my, you startled me. Sean here at KB Electric, and if you're wondering what this massive machine is behind me right here, I'm about to let you know. When you move into a place that only has single split phase electric coming in at 240 volts, but them boys at NASA got a big project for you, and you're gonna need to run some 3-phase machines. You're gonna have to get one of these bad boys. This converter is made by North America. It's got your line coming in from your sub panel, feeding the converter with 240 volts. These lines then drop down to a rotary motor, which comes back up and creates that extra phase. You can then go from here over to a disconnect and into a transformer, but the transformer will drop it down to 208 because them machines are expensive. You don't want to blow them out with 240 volts. After this settles it down, saturates it down to 208, you go into the panel go into the outlets. So now we hook these guys up over here so they can help them boys at NASA prove the earth is round once and for all. Sean here, KB Electric. Ow.